This video will show you how to customize the data screen on your Edge 540, 840 cycling computer. This video will use both devices to demonstrate. Edge 540 will use button to customize data screen. Edge 840 will use touch screen to customize data screen. Adding a data screen. Access into main menu. Select activity profiles. Select a profile. Select data screens. Select add new. Select cycling dynamics. Reorder your data screen. Go back to main screen and select the activity you just customized. Editing a data screen. Access into main menu. Select activity profiles. Select a profile. Select data screens. Select screen 1 to edit. Select layout and data fields. Select up or down key to change the layout, and confirm. Select a data field, then select another data field to rearrange them. Select a data field twice to change it. And select checkmark to confirm. Rearranging data screens. Access into main menu. Select activity profiles. Select a profile. Select data screens. Select 3 dots icon. Select reorder. Select the data screen you want to reorder and rearrange it. Go back to main screen and select the activity you just customized. That's it. Thanks for watching.